headlines. Death toll from China's coronavirus epidemic climbs to 908. And Fegokta continues relay hunger strike to push for demand. Good afternoon, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. A team of experts led by the World Health Organization left for Beijing to help investigate China's coronavirus epidemic as the death toll climbed to 908 in the mainland, surpassing the number of fatalities of the SARS epidemic of 2002-03. The total number of cases so far is 40,171 and the region has spread to at least 27 countries. One death each outside China has been reported from Hong Kong, the Philippines and the USA. The government today eased some restrictions and workers begin trickling back to offices and factories around China. In India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday offered assistance to China to deal with the outbreak, addressed to Chinese President Xi Jinping. PM Modi expressed solidarity with the Premier and also conveyed his condolences at the unfortunate loss of lives due to the outbreak. Manipur Police Commando has arrested a women overground worker of the proscribed KCPN, acting on a tip of the team including women police led by Assistant Sub-Inspector Gyanin Kshetriya during an operation at Tronglaubi Awang Lekai last morning at around 8:30. Arrested has been identified as 42-year-old Mutum Roma alias Naubi Chanu of Tronglaubi Awang Lekai, Bishnupur district. A mobile handset and a Jio SIM card were also recovered from her possession, a police report said today. Upon verification, it was learned that she has been working as an overground worker of the outfit since 2019. The arrested along with the seized items was handed over to Moirang Police Station, where a case has been registered in this regard. A cadre belonging to the band UNLF was arrested at Thanga, Chinglakthong in Bishnupur district by security forces last evening at around 4, after getting a reliable information that some active members of UNLF were present in Thanga Samukol area. A combined team of Commando, Unit Bishnupur and 31 Assam Rifles Bravo Company conducted a search operation in the area, during which the team arrested the cadre. The arrested has been identified as 35-year-old Haubijam Bisheshwar Singh, son of late Babu Singh of Thanga, Samukol Lekai. Bisheshwar joined the outfit in the year 2004 and had received basic military training at Sajik Tampak, a police report said. He was later handed over to Kaibul Lamjau police station, where a case has been registered for further investigation. Despite the centre's heightened awareness program to curb crimes against women and child, the incidents related to crime against women and girls are occurring in the state on daily basis. On January 30 last, an 8-year-old girl from Salangkonjin Ward number 5 under Paubakchau Ikhai police station in Bishnupur district was allegedly sexually assaulted by a 40-year-old man named Kshetrimayun Tiken Singh of Paubakchau Ikhai Mamang Lekai. In connection to the incident, a public meeting was held at the locality community hall yesterday, wherein the locals decided to ostracize Tiken from the locality. On the other hand, Salai Kanbalup extended financial aid to the victim's family. Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju today made it clear that no Indian player was given permission to travel to Pakistan and participate in the World Kabaddi Championship after a squad was seen arriving in Lahore yesterday. Earlier, the administrator of Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India, Justice retired SP Garg, also said that the national body has not cleared any such team. As per reports, the officials of the Pakistan Kabaddi Federation welcomed the Indian players when they crossed into Pakistan from Wagah border, from where they were taken in a security convoy to their hotel in Lahore. All the 6 previous editions of the World Kabaddi Championship took place in India between 2010 and 2019. India have won all 6 championships, defeating Pakistan in 2010, 2012, 2013 and 2014 editions. Now we have the sports news. Bangladesh clinched their maiden Under-19 World Cup title after defeating four-time champion India in a thrilling contest yesterday. But the final showdown ended on an unpleasant note as players from the two teams engaged in an altercation after the first-time finalists emerged victorious in Potchefstroom. After India set up a total of 177 runs, the target was revised as rain interrupted play during Bangladesh chase. Through DRS calculations, Bangladesh's chase was adjusted to 170, which they gunned down with 23 balls to spare and 3 wickets in hand. As the players from the winning team stormed the field to celebrate the victory, shoving and pushing was witnessed among the players from both the Indian and Bangladesh squad, as per a report. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Barak Makru bridges likely to see light this year. Coronavirus outbreak in China. 187 people under surveillance, says Dr. Razo. Chief Minister inaugurates 33/11 power substation. At 17th rank, India among most prone to importing novel coronavirus. A study report. The People's Chronicle, Coronavirus import ranks. India ranks 17. Government committed to end corruption, says Chief Minister Viren. UNLF celebrates MPA Raising Day. Cannabis farming likely solution to poppy menace. Imphal Free Press. Government's commitment and public support brought development in state, says Chief Minister. Legalizing cannabis a viable alternative to poppy menace, says NAF officer.
Now the top headlines once again. Death toll from China's coronavirus epidemic climbs to 908. And Fegokta continues relay hunger strike to push for demand. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.